Hello, everyone. Dr. Allen here. Hope you're having a great week. If I look a little flummoxed, it's because I just recorded this and realized I wasn't sharing my screen. I had stopped and you all couldn't see the share screen. Ah! So I will try to do this in an efficient and tech strong way. So with all that being said, and by the way, I know I babble, so I want to go ahead and just get right to the point. So this week, we have a few things to do. We're going to be working with Edpuzzle, which I think is a really cool tool. It can be a little quirky. Some of you that I had in 200, I haven't taught 200 in a couple semesters, but I used Edpuzzle a lot during the pandemic because it just links videos and asks questions. It was something that pre-pandemic, I think a lot of people didn't know about. Post-pandemic, I have a feeling a lot of people know about. Kind of like Nearpod. Readings, you're going to do Tech Like a Pirate. It's on gamification. Also, I put a couple of articles on the discussion board related to Kahoot and things like that, Socrative. So you can check that out. And of course, you'll be doing a blog on Edpuzzle, whether you like it or not. I will say this, discussion boards, blogs, perfect. They've been great. Everyone's been turning everything in on time. The only thing I will ask is make sure, don't forget a few people, about 150 words on the discussion boards. Most of them are still always really close. So, point here, point there isn't a big deal, but just want to make sure I remind you of that. There you go. Hopefully everyone's back in. My connection got messed up there, so I'm hoping this is all recording. We'll find out. I don't know if you all saw that or not. So hopefully this video will not be too weird. Let me share that screen again. It did knock that out. All right. Here we go. So with Edpuzzle this week, here's what we're going to do. Very first thing you have to do is this. You have to log in. Let me sign out actually mine. Just because, let me go back to that puzzle. Sorry, I'm being very unofficial here. All right. First thing I didn't say, sorry, that connection thing threw me off there a minute. I didn't know it did that. You need to log in. As with anything, the best thing to do is just, I think, use your Google account that you created. So hit your Google account. I created a new one specifically for all this week. So we'll climb in there. I'm already signed in and I'm in Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a video thing where you can find different videos and add questions, voiceovers, notes, things like that in it. As you can see, there's a community, there's my school. When it has you sign up and ask for your school, I would just put Shepherd University. It's just the easiest thing to do, but there's no Edpuzzle police going around making sure that you're actually at that school or anything like that. So even if you're teaching at another school or doing your student teaching, I'm sure you can use it. It's not a big deal. Couple things you can, one, let's say you need to make your class. You can see here, you can actually link it to all of these different learning management systems. Schoology, if you're in Berkeley County, Canvas, if you're in Jefferson County, Google Classroom, if you're in this class, or you can just create a new class. I'm just going to do that. And we're going to do, let's do geography. Let's do geography. There we go. And we'll just, as you can see, I've been fiddling around a little bit. I've had some screw ups on some prior videos here today. So there's a couple of different ways you can do this. You can, obviously, if you hit community, you can kind of look all throughout Edpuzzle on that. So let's do, I like Rick Steves' travel shows, so I'm going to hit Rick Steves France. So you can see he has this. Now for this assignment this week, your video needs to be 2 to 5 minutes. Editing on Edpuzzle is really easy. So I'm actually going to, when we do this, I'll show you how to edit. But I just want to show you what Edpuzzle does first. All right, just gonna play this. This is one that was already made. And by the way, you can assign this to your classes right there. Like if I wanted to put this in one of my classes, I just pick the class right there and it assigns it. So for example, if I click that and assign, it's there and I can share the assignment right there and copy the link. That's what you're gonna do at the end. But let's go back. Let's play this thing. Can we play it? Yep, there we go. And I'll show you what it does. And there you go. First question's already popped up. Let's just say, yep, submit and continue. As you can see, they're just.
Its nickname, Europe's City of Light, for its in.
What's the name? It's the City of Light. So you click that, submit. You don't have to do your own questions, but you're going to add these questions in there.
Its incandescent energy.
And that's what you're going to do. You're going to add these questions, or you'll have a choice between notes or audio insertions. So that's all nice. So why don't we actually do this? So let's go in. So you can see these are all the Shepherd videos that have been assigned to it. I've been kind of filming. See, there's mine already. Jason Allen, Jason Allen, Jason Allen. Just ones I've played with in the past. What I want you to do, you're going to find your video without any questions on it. You can assign those when you do your own thing. You're welcome to do that. But for us, we're going to make one. So I'm just going to get that same video. Rick Steve's Friends. And let's look. And click that again. Sometimes it'll revert back. You want it without those teardrops. Like, look. Teardrops, no. There we go. So let's do, oh, that's fine. Let's do Paris. And if you look here, there's other videos that have been made using this video. But ours does not have anything. Awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit edit. And we said we had to make it 5 minutes or less, right? So we're going to take this, see my little hand there. And oops, I lost it. Sorry. We're going to start grabbing it. And you see my times there. We'll make it around 4.
Virgin Mary was highly revered.
So we'll stop it. We'll hit finish. Okay, now my video, as you can see, is only 4 minutes long. Awesome. Now you're going to actually add questions to it. Now for this assignment, if I haven't said it already, I've done this 3 times, so I can't remember what I said on each video. You need to have 5 things that you need to add to it. It can be 5 questions, it can be 3 questions, 2 notes, it can be 5 notes. It can be 5 audio voiceovers. It could be 1 audio voiceover, 1 note, and 3 questions. As long as you have 5 in there, that's fine. So let's edit it. I'm going to play the video. We're going to, oh, I'm sorry, you have to hit questions first. We're going to put the new multiple choice question in there. Now let's play it.
Hi, I'm Rick Steves, back with more of the best of Europe. This time we're exploring the wonders of Paris. Magnificent and, thanks to Monsieur Eiffel, riveting.
And so I would say, where is Rick Steves? I mean, this is very simple. Let's say London. We'll say Paris. We'll say Rome. And of course, the correct answer is Paris. So you're going to put your little check mark there. You're going to save it. That's what you're going to do. Simple as that. And then you can hit continue. You can add your other ones in there. You can say Paris is in France. And of course, you can space them out however you want. Things like that. And just for I just wanted to show you how to make it. You'll hit finish. Awesome. So that should be it. That's it. So let's go back. So at this point, hey, we have it. So let's finish it. Boom. All right. Now what I want to do is go back to my classroom. If you notice, I hit Ed Puzzle. Let's go to my content. And you see there's the video we just did. So I'm going to check that. Go to my content after you finish. Hit that. And you want to assign it. Let's assign it to the geography class. Hit assign. Awesome, it's done. Now, when you submit your thing with the 5-minute or up to 5-minute video, 5 questions or whatever combo you use, you're going to hit share assignment. You're going to copy that link. Just like with the Google Classroom and some of the other things that have shared code, you got to put it on a Word document and submit it on Brightspace. Some of you have been able to kind of get it to like embed. That's fine too, as long as I get it. But I think it seems like for most people, it's just been easiest to put on the Word document and submit it. That's all you need to do. I'll check out the video. You do need to make sure that the video is public. It should be, let's see, right in there. It'll ask you usually if you want it to be public or not. I think it should already be, it should default that way. But just in case, some people go into the settings and such and do it. But if I can't get to it, I'll be sure to tell you. So, and I'll make sure to maybe put a little blurb up to show you like what you need to put the public and not type thing. I'm trying to just make sure I'm not overlooking that actually. And as you can see, there's more questions. And oh, I didn't mention this. If you don't want me to skip or your students to skip, you can say prevent skipping so they can't jump just to the questions. You can say yes, and then they can skip questions if they want or skip the video. If not, it locks it. There's people like that. And then let's see, is that it? That's it. Ending to grade. Class members, gradebook, as you can see, it'll have everyone that's in the class once you do the invite. There's another thing where you can invite students to the class itself. And I think that should do it. Just making sure I'm not forgetting anything. I think you should be good to go. That's our assignments this week is Google Classroom, Ed Puzzle. And again, if I have any problems accessing it, I'll be sure to send you. I'm going to double check. I think it should default to public view, but just in case, I mean, we'll make sure that I'll double check the directions in case I need to tell you that. Let's look at something here. Help Center. Let's make sure we look. I don't want to forget something to tell you. Making a video public. Actually, I think it does it now pretty much automatically. So it shouldn't be a problem. No, I think we're good. Just in case though, I'll double check anything. They've updated some things and changed some things on this, but looks like everything should be good. Sorry, I'm just looking one more time. If you share me the link, I should be fine no matter what. So, all right. So this week, Ed Puzzle, gamification of the classroom. That's your discussion. And of course, blog number 5. Thanks for the patience. I know I babbled a little bit. This was like the 3rd time when the power went out. I kind of got thrown off with this video a little bit. So hopefully it's not too much of a gobbledygook, and I'll be sure to send out directions on everything. So I'm going to stop recording here and tell everyone to have a good weekend or good week. So get out and enjoy it. I think it's supposed to be a nice week this week. So catch you later. And always stop by if you have any questions.